Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. I'm trying to keep from the sun because you can't really see me, but today I want to share with you a sausage and pasta recipe that I shared on Instagram a little while ago, and it was super popular, so I thought that I would share it with you here. It's super easy to make. Again, can you hear the baby? Again, take out and add in whatever you want. Yeah, but it's super easy and so delicious, so I hope you guys give it a try.